Impulse trading destroys a multitude of traders' accounts, emotions, souls. Makes you feel like you're not good enough. Makes you feel like you're greedy. You're getting into trades due to fear of not achieving your goals, of not getting wealthy, of not becoming the man or woman that you aspire to be. I'm here to tell you that patience and prayer are going to be the things that you're going to need to focus on to cure this trait of greed, to cure this session of anxiety, to cure how you feel on the inside. Let's go over it. There's going to be 5 things we're going to be going over. We're going to understand impulse. We're going to go over the psychological insights, the impact impulse trading has on stock market trading as well as crypto trading, and actionable advice we're going to use to trump this evil trait. Understanding impulse trading. Impulse trading often reveals underlying psychological issues such as fear or greed, significantly impacting both stock and cryptocurrency markets, leading to poor decision making and financial losses. A lot of you are good traders. You aren't bad traders. But some of you need to understand why you're doing what you want to do. You're not just getting into the setup because you think you're right. You're getting into a trade because you're fiending for money. Your greed is overtaking you. Your emotions are overtaking your logical side. I know you want to get rich. I do too. But it's not going to happen if we make rash decisions for profit. If you just get into a green candlestick and it's just bursting straight up, when you get in, you're probably going to get wicked back on. If price is dumping straight down and you just get into sales and it's a giant candle, you're probably going to get wicked back on. Yet you guys continue to do it. You continue to let the emotions overtake you. And I'm going to tell you why this happens. This happens because of a few reasons. You don't have a good technical understanding of the market. When you understand that the market is a staircase, you don't do illogical things. You play within a logical formation. Whether you're waiting for an area of resistance to turn into support and wait for the staircase to continue, if you're looking for a long trade, or whether you're waiting for an area of support to turn into resistance and then short if you're looking for a downside trade. Some of you don't have the grasp on the market. You don't know what you need to do to progress to the next level. You don't know what you need to do to stop crashing out your account, stop blowing it up after every single baby loss, or a big loss because you didn't play within a logical formation. The candle just kept going in one direction. Say market's going straight up and then you short and then it keeps going up. You're gonna keep praying and hoping that it goes back down. But why are you doing that? You're not playing within a logical way and you're destroying yourself. This is your fault. This is completely your fault. In every single way, shape, and form, this is gonna be your fault. You need to increase your resilience. You need to become more disciplined. You need to control your emotions. Key psychological factors. Emotional responses. Impulse trading often arises from high anxiety levels. Control yourself. Analyze how you're feeling before market even opens. Are you feeling scared? Are you feeling greedy? Are you feeling overconfident? The setup is going to work out. So you just throw in a bunch of size, start just throwing off your risk management, playing with 50% of your account, 30% of your account, 20% of your account. You should never be playing with more than 10% of your account at a time. Okay? Decision-making process. Many traders overlook strategy amidst emotional turmoil. If market is going up and you're in a short, you're probably wrong. Just straight up. And if market is shorting and you're in a long, you're probably just wrong. And that's okay. That's fine. Stop loss gets hit, accept it like a man or a woman. You're not going to be able to progress if you can't accept reality. You need to be able to accept reality. You need to be able to accept the fact that you made a poor decision. You need to be able to accept the fact that maybe you just didn't win today. Triggers for trading. Positive reinforcement can lead to impulsive behavior. So, understand that. If you're overconfident, say you've been winning for a month straight, 2 months straight, just having some very green profitable months, running up a bag, stacking up, you're in stack mode. Next thing you know, losses start coming in. Market conditions change, starts getting choppy, starts getting sideways. Your setups don't play out how they usually do. Understand that overconfidence or being in a mid state of thinking, oh, trading's not for me, This isn't for me. I'm just a loser. This is gambling. All those negative mindsets that seep into you, the weakness that seeps into your heart, your soul, your brain. Get it out. Stay logical. Stay based. Stay stoic. 65% of traders experiencing frequent impulsive decisions. Many traders struggle to control emotional responses while trading. And trading is PvP. When you're winning, somebody's losing. And when you're losing, somebody is winning. So understand that you need to be performing better than everyone else. You need to be eating everyone else alive. You need to be the lion in the pack. You need to be the dominant one in the pack. Otherwise, you're going to be the one getting eaten alive, getting lagged behind, getting the scraps like a vulture. And you're here to win. You're here to take the profit. You're here to abuse the liquidity. You're here to abuse the fact that people aren't disciplined, that the fact that people are weak, at the fact that people are lazy, and you're going to be the one to change those things. 48% of impact on impulse trading on overall market stability. Okay? So understand that market moves based off of losers. Impulse trading can lead to increased volatility in both markets. When markets just going straight up, you know how many people are just getting in, especially people with lack of emotional control? It's called volume. Volume is the amount of people going in one direction. So if market's just bursting straight up, that's a high amount of volume in the long direction. If market's bursting straight down, that's a high amount of volume within the short direction. Impulse trading can lead to increased volatility in both markets. Combating impulse trading. Effective techniques for self-regulation and maintaining discipline in trading. 1. Make sure that you guys are disciplined outside of the charts. You should be working out. You should be eating clean. You should be praying to God, most importantly. You should be being a good person, not doing anything that's destroying your soul, hurting yourself outside of the charts. If you guys are going through a rough breakup right now, if you're going through a rough period of time, financial loss, understand that God got you and He put you in the situation for a reason. Accept what happened, move on from it, and grow stronger. Don't let the darkness consume you. Don't let any weakness seep into your brain when it comes to the charts or real life, because everything works in a conglomerate. If you're feeling a high amount of anxiety due to the fact that you have bills to pay, maybe you shouldn't trade with that account. Go focus on some business, paper trade for a bit, run it up, take your time, and then come back. Okay? Want to learn how to trade? Go to StackMODE.net and I'll give you a free trading mentorship call. I'll teach you how to trade. I'll teach you how to find key areas of support and resistance. I'll teach you how to trade futures, cryptocurrency, or stock options, or all three if you'd like. On my StackMODE.net website, you also get a free ebook where I teach you the basics of trading, understanding what a candlestick is, and you can catch all my trades at StackMODE.net as well. I want to see you guys become profitable. I want to see you guys stop struggling. Inshallah, if God wills, I want you guys to become successful. Stop letting the charts consume you and become dominant. Eat it alive. Get the weakness out of your brain. Conquer yourself. Conquer the charts. Conquer your bank account. If you're mad at how life is right now, just do something. Let the energy transfuse through you, and let's change it. I love you guys so much. Stay prayed up with God. I'll catch you in the next one. Inshallah, if God wills.